In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Jotform tables to the default view. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace in the upper left corner and select My Tables. Find the table you want to reset and click View Table to open it. At the top of the table, click the tab you want to reset if your table has multiple tabs. Next to the tab name, click the three-dot menu to open the available options. Select Reset Columns to default. This will restore the original column layout and remove any custom column arrangements you've made. When the confirmation window appears, click Reset to Default to confirm. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the table has been reset and your columns will return to their default view. That's how to reset Jotform tables to the default view. Thanks for watching.